So sliding door or patio door installation, that's one of our best-selling products is a sliding door. Most people that have sliding doors hate their sliding doors because they don't open and close properly. They're inefficient. They're not secure, etc. And you'll go into people's homes where you have to be Hercules to open and close the door because the rollers are shot. And their idea of security is a broomstick down inside there to keep the door from being able to open. With our patio doors, and again, this is one of our top-selling products, it is so far more efficient than most patio doors on the market. It is a night and day difference. It's like, you usually see a patio door by the kitchen table or in the living room, which is where we spend most of our waking hours in a home. And in the wintertime, most patio doors are so cold, nobody wants to sit next to them. In the summertime, when you're sitting next to them, they're so hot, it makes you horribly uncomfortable. With our doors, they're incredibly efficient, so they're far more comfortable. So you will gain a living space in your house because somebody will actually sit next to the door in the winter or the summer and not be miserable. But the other benefit is the roller system on our door. Because our patio doors are triple glass, they're heavier. We have to have a far superior, heavier duty, stronger roller system. But that allows the door to glide open and close. So even a younger person or an older person is able to operate this door without any issues whatsoever. Security-wise, it has a 3-point lock mechanism on it. Most patio doors have the old-fashioned hook and clasp, and to defeat that is very simple. With ours, it has a 3-point lock mechanism. It locks at the top, it locks at the middle, it locks at the bottom, and it's all operated by one lock system. Plus, it's a keyed lock. Like how many times you've been out back doing something and you go up and you can't go in the patio door because you have to unlock it from inside. Well, on our door, it actually has a key, so if you carry your keys, you can actually unlock the door from the outside instead of having to walk all the way around to get back inside your home. So it's incredibly efficient, it's incredibly secure, and it's very attractive. You have different styles for appearances, different colors, different blinds, different grids. There's all kinds of things you can do to it, and it is probably one of the best products that we offer, or one of the most popular products is the best way to say that we offer.